Hello and welcome back subscriber. Today in this video I am going to explain you how you can enroll and join NPTEL new courses from July to December semester. So I have already provided some more details about the NPTEL courses and all those things. You can go and visit in my video. You can go Deep Codec Guru playlist and you can check NPTEL information. So there I have provided how you can become NPTEL star. So what are the courses you have to do, what are the criteria you have to meet to become NPTEL star in this year, in this semester. Okay. So this is the itself star means star. You can understand how much this certificate contain the value. If you get a star certificate, then your certificate will be kept on your college or school notice board. And the second is the domain certificate. So most of you are unaware about that NPTEL is also providing domain certificate. But NPTEL is providing domain certificate in different field for almost 19 branches. So you can go through this video how to get NPTEL domain certificate. So very huge credibility with the NPTEL domain certificate like Oracle, Udemy, Coursera. The NPTEL is also providing the domain certificate for you. So you can also get domain certificate and you will be expert in particular subject. So right, you can go and check out video, and I will also give this video link in the description, video description as well as in comment section, so you can easily find it. So this is actually the main page of NPTEL and this is the Swayamya. So Swayamya is not the main page of NPTEL. Swayamya is made up with 9 different online platforms. So this has no more interface to show all those detail about NPTEL, and while you are coming to NPTEL actual site, then you can see all those detail about NPTEL. So NPTEL star, NPTEL domain, so those all information you can go with, check it out, and even you want to download your certificate and marks it, then you can go candidate login and you can do, and even you can see what are the new timelines going on, everything you can see from here. I have got 3 NPTEL star certificate. I have completed 14 NPTEL online courses. So I have great experience on the NPTEL. So you can follow me, you can trust me, and you can select a better course. I can help you to selecting and making the better choice while you are enrolling the course, and I will also give you the better experience and better tips and advice so you can secure the better mark. In future video I will also provide how you can secure the better score in NPTEL. I have passed all the subjects whatever I attempted in single attempt. At the same time, in same semester I wrote 4 courses. So you can understand I have great experience. That's why you can trust me, and to gain this real time experience and to go through my experience and make a better choice, you subscribe my channel, so you will get this type of notification time to time. So NPTEL has announced about the new courses from July to December semester 2020. So this is, now let me show you, these all are the courses you can go through. And how you can go and check, you can see here the branches, discipline, which branches you belong to, and what is course name, who is the professor, and which institution is offering the course. Is it from IIT or IIIT or any other organization? So you can go and check out, is the course is new or the course is already going through the previous semester or 2-3 back semester. So you can go through all those details from here. And if you are also looking for FDP, faculty development program certificate, then you can also check out here that what are the courses under FDP, what are courses got affiliation for the FDP, you can check out. and even you want to get a specific about on what date examination you are going to select, then you can go and make the choice. The courses which are on September 27 examination, the courses which have exam on October 17, and some courses which have exam on October 18. So you can go through this Excel sheet and you can select, and the all courses in this tab overall courses list. So some of you are asking that what is the age criteria one person can write the exam, what are the how many course at a time one person can write. So those all question you are asking. So let me just give this two answer to at first. So the age criteria is if you are more than 8 years, anyone who is above 8 years can write NPTEL examination, and that is valid one. Even you can most of the spouse, even some person working on the NPTEL authority at your college, and they are unaware about this information. So you can after 8 years you can write, you can appear for the NPTEL examination. Your age is 8, that is eligible for you, you can write the NPTEL exam. The second question, in a semester you can write 6, maximum 6 examination you can write in a semester. So how? On September 27 there is 2 slot, so you can appear in both slot. In October 17 there is again 2 slot, and October 18 there is 2 slot. So 3 days 2 slot, that makes 6. So you can write 6 examination. But when you are enrolling the course, then you make sure that you are enrolling 2 courses having exam on October 18. Again, while you are on each date, you check up that the exam to both subject, 2 subject has exam on that day. That's where you can write. Even you can't write 3 exam. How? If you are selecting 3 courses having exam on the same date, like on 18 October, so you can't write. So you be very specific and you check out detail while you are enrolling the course. Otherwise at end you will come with, you end with that you can't write 1 exam, you can only write 2 examinations. So you check out when is the last exam date, your exam date for the course, and according to that enroll the course and you complete it. Right. So that is the main idea you have to keep in mind before you are going to enroll the course. Then you may have also one question that how you can get this Excel sheet about the course detail. So you need not to do anything. Just this link I will provide in video description as well as in comment section, or you can type nptel.ac.in/noc/index.institute, and when you type you will get this page, and from this there is, you can see here, tentative courses list June to December. So you can click here and you can get the whole details about all the courses offered by NPTEL in this June to December semester. And NPTEL is providing 3 different set of the courses, 3 different criteria of courses in term of week. So 4-week course, 8-week course and 12-week course. But while you are going to write examination, register for examination, NPTEL used to charge the same amount for each and every courses. So NPTEL charge 1000 rupees for each courses. So you have better to select the courses with maximum week if you are interested to learn more things, because you have to anyhow pay the same charges. And also when you take the course of the maximum week, then your credit will be also increased. So what about credit? Those all I will record in the next video. What are the credit, how you can get credit, how you can add credit. So those everything I will discuss in the next video. So let me brief you about how are the NPTEL is going to do the things. So NPTEL has kept some separate pass criteria for each subject and each assignment. So there is different criteria about all those subjects. Like there is 4-week course. So the NPTEL will calculate assignment score of 3 week, best 3 week. If you 8 week, then 6 best week they will calculate. If your course is 12 week, then they will calculate 8 best week score. And coming to programming subject, if your course is programming, then NPTEL used to calculate average of each week, like there is programming 100 score and quiz 100 score assignment is there in a week. So NPTEL add what the score you will secure and divide by 2. So you will get average score of your particular week, and out of that average NPTEL used to select your particular 8 out of 12, 8 best week, out of 8, 6 best week, out of 4, 3 best week. Like that they used to select. So they don't used to consider separate programming best week and separate quiz best week. They used to consider both assignment for a week. So I hope now I am very clear. So you go with, and for pass you have also there is 2 different courses for the NPTEL platform. So one course is programming course and other is the theoretical course. So coming to programming course, NPTEL has 3 different slot, 3 different criteria slab. So and coming to the theory courses, there is 2 different slab. So in theory slab there is 2 slab. The first slab is assignment score and the second slab is the external examination. So coming to assignment slab, that is 25 marks which you will get from your assignment by calculating your best week depending on your courses, how many courses week, how many week the courses have. And coming to external, the NPTEL used to conduct 75% score examination in the external, right? So that makes 100% for the theoretical subject. Coming to the programming subject, there is 3 different slabs. So first slab is assignment slab, second slab is the programming online test slab or unprotected programming test, same name, that is similar name. So they will take examination for the second slab online. So for programming there are different 3 slab. First slab assignment, so that will calculated as the theory subject same way. And for programming online test or unprotected programming test, there is again 25 mark examination. So NPTEL used to conduct that examination online, so you can write from your home. There they will ask around 4 to 5 online programming questions, and you have to solve that within given time, like 2 hours they used to give, and you have to complete in that time. There is 2 session also they used to give for unprotected programming examination or online programming test. So 1 slot in day and other slot in next slot in the night, and in the slot you secure the best mark, the NPTEL will consider that slot score. You can also write 1 slot or both slot, and the slot having maximum mark, NPTEL will consider that slot. And coming to the external examination, there will be only 50% examination for the external. You have to appear on the center and you have to write. So how 50 score you will get with the combination of the test which you will write from your home and assignment, and 50 marks you have to write going on the center, appearing on the center. So this makes, so this way the 100 marks theory examination is done. Okay, so and right now I have given you the briefing about the NPTEL details, and now I am going to enroll the course for the person who are going to enroll for the first time also. So I will show you. If you are going to enroll for the first time, so you will type swamya.gov.in. You can find the link in video description as well as in comment section. So you have to type this, or you have to just click on the link, and after that you have to go sign in and register. The more detail I will share once the course will start. I don't want to make this video so long, so you will feel stuck if I add more details here. And if you are new user, you can go sign up also, sign up now, or you can directly log in using your Microsoft account, Google account, as well as in Facebook account. So I used to maximum Google is one of the convenient. I hope everyone has Google account, so you can sign up with your Google account, right? So after that you will get this interface if you are the first time you are going to enroll, and then after you have to go and check my profile. So if you are first time, you go and check your profile, you give your name and give your mobile number. Once you enter your name and mobile number, then the NPTEL will not allow to change the details without edit while you are preparing for the examination. So while you forget to modify, then you will get some trouble. So when you are entering, be very clear and be very sincere while you are filling the details. So the name you have to give, your mobile number you have to give the email ID. This email ID where you will get all those notifications regarding NPTEL and all those certificate issued on this email only. So you give your email which is used to have a professional way, and you have to select your age group, like your age is 18 years, so you are under 13 to 20 years, like that you have to select. And currently you are where, currently in which country you are, you selected, and your profession you select, and what you are pursuing right now, what you are studying right now, you can go and select that. And when you are going to graduate, means when you are going to pass your BTech or BE, so those you have to select. Then after coming to the educational details, a part of Swamya, like your college is a part of Swamya or not. You ask if your college has a sports center, then of course your college is the part. This doesn't make more difference because this is one type of feedback. You can go and check from here also. Your college is part of Swamya or not. You can go. The link, I repeat, you can click on this link and you can check out. So here it's open, okay, and you can go and check details on the NPTEL sports chapter, and you can go and you can check out your college is the part of Swamya or not. Let me check out. Okay, so here is the list, and Ctrl+F you press and type your college name. So this is my college name. Okay, here is 10 entry only, so we can't use Ctrl+F. Here you go and search. Okay. So you can see here my college is there. Aditya. Okay, Aditya. My college is, that is not. This is my college, Aditya Institute of Technology and Management. So you can see here, and my college is graded with A on the NPTEL. So you can see here, and local ID of my college is 668. So you can see here, your college will also get the grade if maximum students from your college are doing NPTEL courses, right? So this is the way you can choose and you can go with. The next is you have to give your college name. So you give the full name of your college, which one is official, right? Official name, don't give the abbreviation form or short form. And college or school roll number. So what is registration number, what is roll you have got your college, you can give that roll. And degree you can select, and your department, which department you belong to, and currently you are in which year, so you can select. And after that you go and click both agree and update your profile. So this is first step you have to do if you are enrolling NPTEL courses for the first time. And NPTEL is huge credit in the market and huge market value, so you can go with this all and you can make a better choice. And if you want to do some domain courses, and if you are interested to be the NPTEL start, then you can follow my video. I have provided whole details about, okay, sorry, let me open. So I have already provided whole details about the NPTEL, how you can become NPTEL star and how you can gain the NPTEL domain certificate. So you can check it out and you can take the advantage. So you can see here how long this video is, around more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes, because I have covered all the detail. After going through video, you will not end with any doubt. Okay, so this is about how you can make the better choice. Now coming to the course, you can go, if you are from which department you belong to, you go and check. So even you can go through NPTEL domain and you can make the choice, right? So there is, you can go and make. So first I am going to engineering and technology, okay, and from here you can select the engineering branch, which branch you are pursuing. So I am pursuing CSE, so I will go here. Depending on your branch you go, right, and then after you can go and check out the courses and duration, all those you can check. So what are the courses? Here you can see, so upcoming courses and when the course will start. So you can see the date, how many week for the course completion. So you can watch the exam date also, and when the enrollment is going to end. So some courses enrollment is going to end by 27 July, some courses enrollment is going to end by 17 August. So you can check those details when the course enrollment is going to end from here. Let me show you. So you can see here there is two different set. So NPTEL used to provide course in two different set. The one first set and the second is from next period of set. So you can see here the first set 4 week is from July 20 and the second 4 week set is from August 17. So this way there is different set. I have already provided details video on it. So you can go and check my older video. So you can get the detail there. So from here you can go and enroll any courses. So I am going to enroll one of the courses from here. So which course, let me select one course. So machine learning will be better for me. So I will go and check out machine learning. Right. So if you have not subscribed the channel, then please you subscribe the channel, so you will get this type of video in coming days and you will get all those notification. So you can go, you can see here this course is offered from IIT Madras and this is 12-week course and going to start from July 20 and the exam date is October 18 and the enrollment will be going to end by 27 July. So I am going to enroll this course. And you can see here what are all details about course, in which week you are going to study which topic and content. So every details is provided, and even this is FDP course. So person someone to get FDP certificate, some faculty, then you can go with. And what are the differences, what is the name of professor, you can check out all those details you can check for the courses. So now you can see here, as I told earlier, there is two different categories. This is the theory subject, so there is 25 mark internal, and this is 12-week course, so best 8-week score will be calculated and 75 mark external examination will be conducted. And for pass of this certificate, if you want to get certificate, then at least you have to secure 10 marks out of 25, which is internal score, and while you are writing the external examination, you have to secure 30 score in the external to pass the examination. Even you are securing 75 out of 75 in external and not securing 10, at least 10 from internal, then you will not get the certificate. Right. So you be clear that this is the minimum criteria you have to meet. So this way you can go through, and in overall your score must be greater than equal to 40. Even if you are scoring more than 40, then you will not get certificate if you fail to meet this criteria. Like you are failed to meet here, like you are scoring 25 out of 25 and you are scoring 25 score in the external examination. So your whole score is 25 internal and 25 external, your score is 50. But still you are not going to pass this subject and you are not supposed to get certificate because you have failed to meet the condition that you have to score minimum 30 score. Okay, I hope now I am very clear. Though you are scoring 50 score, you are satisfying this condition, but you are failing this condition, the external condition, so you will not get certificate. So while you are writing examination, please keep in mind that you have to meet the criteria to get the certificate. So this is all about, and now you can click on join, so you can join the course. So this is the enrollment, and when you join it will show like this. Again you can go and tick and you can review and join courses. You can click and finally you will join the course, and after joining you will get one mail. You can also check it out. So enrollment is going on. So for learning the course you need not to pay anything. You can follow and you can complete the assignment and you can learn the course. But if you want certificate, then you have to pay the examination fee and you have to write examination and you can earn the certificate. So for learning the course it is completely free, and if you want to certificate then you have to pay for the course. So I hope I have given you my level best experience for this course and details, and still I am somewhere with a lapse and you have some doubt, then please you do ask in comment section. I will definitely be there to reply you and help you out to select the best courses and gain either NPTEL Star Certificate or NPTEL Domain Certificate in future. So have a good journey guys, and you share this video with all your colleagues, faculty, so they will get more details about NPTEL and they can easily grasp the opportunity and they can enroll the course. So still if you have not subscribed the channel, then what you are waiting for? You subscribe the channel, share the channel and like this video and share this video with all your colleagues, so you will get appreciation from your colleagues, friends for sharing this information. And when coming to the next video, I will provide all those answers for the doubts regarding the last semester NPTEL examination, January to July 2020 semester examination. So lots of queries I am continuously getting regarding those examinations. So I planned in coming video I will provide in whole video all those doubt Q&A session I will provide, and you can resolve all your doubts there if you have already gone through the previous semester. So thanks again you all, and you can get all those links in video description as well as in comment section. Go through and take the advantage and enroll now. Happy learning, have a happy journey.